Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine and enjoying a good health. So as you can see in the video, today we are going to unbox this beautiful doll. And it's basically these toys are made in China, and there are some warnings and some precautions written on the box at the back side. And the doll name is Beautiful Girl. So Haniya bought this doll today, and it was her Baba Jani's her grandfather's birthday, and she went to buy some gifts for him, and then she bought a gift for herself also. So look at this. She's looking at me. Oh, she's so pretty. And her hairs are so long. Look at the blue hairband, a bow on it, and a purse, and a necklace. Then there's this perfume, body lotion, and this is the face cream, I think. And it's so pretty, small accessories. This is the hat, and this is the hairbrush. Such a cute and delicate hairbrush. And look at the arms. She have folding arms and hands and legs. Look at this, and it's very reasonable. It's around 900 rupees. And look at her pretty eyes. I really like her a lot. She's such a pretty doll. बहुत ही प्यारी doll है ये माशाल्लाह. And she's wearing such a beautiful dress. Look at her. And my daughter is so much excited to open it up. So I thought I could share this video with you guys. I hope you like it and enjoy the video.
Let's open it.
Okay. Let's open it up.
Open it.
I can't open it now. You have to open it on your own.
I can't open it.
There's a price tag on it.
It's okay. We can tell everyone that it's so reasonable doll and it's very pretty. Haniya is very happy. Look, everyone, it's so funny that she's trying to open it with her mouth.
I'll tear it.
Okay. No, don't tear it. Okay. There is someone to help you. How excited you are to open your new doll. You have a lot of dolls already. मुझे हर वक्त यही होता है कि मैं इसको और गुड़िया ना लेके दूँ. इसके पास बहुत सारी डॉल्स हैं, बहुत अच्छी डॉल्स हैं. सारे जो डिज़नी के कैरेक्टर्स हैं, प्रिंसेस फेरी टेल्स के, वो सब हैं इसके पास. इसके बावजूद शी लव टू बाय मोर डॉल्स फॉर हर सेल्फ. कम लेट मी ओपन इट. Ani, you need to open this one. Okay, let's take it out. It's so easy to take it out. Wait. No, you need to go. Take it out first.
Wait, honey.
She's wrapped around this ribbon. Okay, ji. So this is the doll. Her hairs are too much pretty. Wow.
This is this one.
I will wear this hairband.
Haniya is so excited to get a new doll. Every time she gets a new doll and she's so happy. This is the purse, I think. Wow. कितने अच्छे से पैक किया हुआ है ना इन्होंने इन सारी चीज़ों को कि ये हिले भी ना अपनी जगह से. Fixed है इसके अंदर.
With the stapler.
These are such a pretty things.
Haniya, wait. It can hurt. Don't touch it.
Wow, Ani, such a pretty purse. You broke it or what?
What?
You broke the purse or what?
Allah, I didn't. Nothing is broken.
Look at this, कितना खूबसूरत हेयर बैंड है ये. And such a beautiful and fine plastic. Seriously, नहीं कितना अच्छा ये प्लास्टिक है. कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. It's so pretty. Show me the necklace, Haniya. Okay. This is the necklace and it's so pretty. And Haniya, not like that. And this is the purse. Wow, यार कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. That's the one I was telling you, Ani. You broke it while opening it, I think.
No.
Okay. Anyways, we can fix it.
How?
And this is the, I think, body lotion packet. No, it's a body lotion. And what's this?
Perfume.
Perfume, yes. Wow, such a pretty hat. Okay, ji. This is the doll. She can even
like me.
she can even sit, and her dress is so pretty.
She can even move.
Yes, she can even move.
Have you listened?
Now she
Ears
will.
are just like me.
Look.
Hmm.
Yes. Look.
Wow, she can move her hands.
Like me.
Hmm. Look at her. Honey, your hairs are always messy. Curly hairs have this problem.
Why let's sing with her?
She's saying hi. Say hi to everyone. Hello. Okay, let's help her to wear all these accessories. Let me give you this necklace.
Okay. Like this.
Can you help her? Yes.
This is the what is this?
Ani?
Baby lotion.
Okay, ji. Now what? She's going to wear a purse? No, we can fix it. It's okay. And now she's trying to find out the perfume. She's wearing it. A lot of perfume. Now Haniya is going to brush her hairs. Such a beautiful brush, Haniya. After that, put this hairband on her hairs. I am in love with this hairband. I wish I could have it the same. It's so pretty. Wow. Haniya, are you wearing a
My
band?
hair is just same like me, curly.
Curly?
My hairs are also curly. Same like
Your
me.
hairs are too much curly and her hairs are a little wavy, actually.
Yes. I want baby hair. Do I want the same hairs? You have the same hairs, Annie.
Yes. She's wearing shoes or not? Oh, yes. She's wearing pretty shoes
We take
also.
off the suit also.
Okay, we can take off the shoes also. And she's not wearing hat anymore. She want to wear a hat. Now this little babu came.
Oh, Vidal, Babu.
Manal, you like the doll? Manal like the doll? Honey, doll wants to wear the hat. And doll wants to wear the hat. Wow. बाद में हशर नशर हो जाना है थोड़े दिनों के बाद ना. हाँ. हानिया कुछ नहीं करती. मनाल जो है ना वो बहुत सत्यानाश कर देती है हर चीज़ का. हानिया, you helping her to wear the shoes?
Yes.
Oh, you're so sweet. You like her?
I like it too much. Today's her birthday.
Today it's her birthday because she came to you. That's why.
Today is her birthday. Today is my Baba Jani's birthday too.
Okay, your Baba Jani's birthday too.
She is ready. Now
She's ready?
she's still not ready.
She's not wearing a hairband.
Only at the end for the necklace.
At the end,
Yes. Where's the gone?
the hairbrush must be here somewhere.
I think Manal is holding it. Manal, can I have
Nal,
the
are you
hairbrush?
holding it?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
we want to have the hairbrush, please. This one we need to brush her hairs.
Make a video.
Look at her, what she's doing. Look at her, what she's doing.
अभी पूरा क्या
She's always making a bridge. She's always making a bridge. Why the hell you are crying?
अरे यार कैसे करती है 1920 के रीसा बनी.
She always take things. Haniya wants to brush her hairs and Manal ने जो ना कब्जा किया हुआ था